Hands up here. I had a wee glance at this one, and it's not going to give me any heart attacks anyway. When she says I'm going to meet the brand new me, and her second one was going to be look again, I thought there's going to be something. This is quite a nice one. I had a wee glance at this one. And this one's called Look Again for Anne Clarke.
I found this poem in the church newsletter and put it in the Scots, and it was actually a nurse who found the poem in an old people's ward at a hospital in Monifeith. You know, when we were young, it was our parents that were getting older. Now we're in the same position as what our parents were. So this is just a reminder of what easily can be forgotten. What do you see? Tell me, what do you see? Where are you seeing when you look at me? A crabbit old woman, no very wise, and certain of habit, with faraway eyes. Where sees no to notice the things that ye do, and forever is losing a stocking or shoe. Is that what you're thinking? Is that what you see? Then open your een, for you're no seeing me. I'll say who I am, as I sit here so still, as I rise at your bidding, and eat at your will. I'm a small child of 10, with a father and mother, sisters and brothers who love one another. A young girl of 16, with wings on her feet, dreaming that soon her true sweetheart shall meet. A bride at just 20, my heart gives a leap, remembering the vows I promised to keep. At 25 new, I have bairns o' my ain, who need me to build a secure happy hame. A woman of 30, my children grow fast, bound to each other with ties that should last. At 40, my grown-up son soon will be gone, but my man stays beside me to see I dinna more. At 50, once more, babies play round my knee. Again we had children, my loved one and me. Dark days are upon me, my husband is dead. I look at the future, and oh, I shudder with dread. My children are busy with bairns o' their ain. I think of the years and the love I hae known. I'm an old woman now, grace and vigour depart, but thousands of memories live in my heart. Inside it you see a girl still dwells, and now and again my old heart swells. I remember the joy, and I think of the pain, and I'm loving and living life out again. So open your een, please, open and see. Not a crabby old woman, look closer, see me. Oh, that's great.
There's one thing I wouldn't dare do is call Anne a crabby
Crabby old woman.
I can't run that fast.